It was Christmas morning, and Santa was finally home after a long night of delivering presents. He stretched his arms and smiled at Mrs. Claus. "All the presents are delivered," Santa said, yawning. "Now it's time for some fun." First, Santa went to the workshop. The elves were having a pancake party. Big stacks of pancakes were covered in syrup, whipped cream, and sprinkles. Santa joined in and made a pancake shaped like a reindeer. Everyone laughed when an elf tried to eat it in one bite and got syrup all over his face. After breakfast, Santa visited the reindeer. They were resting after pulling the sleigh all night. Santa gave each reindeer a big hug and their favorite snacks. Rudolph got shiny red apples and Dasher got crunchy carrots. "Thank you, team," Santa said. "You did an amazing job." Next, Santa walked outside. Snowflakes danced in the air, and everything sparkled like magic. The children in the village nearby had built a giant snowman. It was as tall as a tree and wore a scarf made of tinsel. Santa waved and called out, "That's the best snowman I've ever seen." The children cheered. "Come play with us, Santa," they shouted. Santa joined the children in a snowball fight. He laughed as he dodged snowballs and tossed a few back. Ho, ho, ho! Santa's laugh echoed across the snowy fields. When the snowball fight ended, Santa took out a special bag. "I saved one last surprise for you," he said. Inside were little bells that jingled softly. "These are magic Christmas bells," Santa explained. "Shake them, and they'll fill your hearts with joy all year long." The children shook the bells, and a soft, happy melody filled the air. Everyone felt warm and cheerful inside. As the sun set, Santa returned home. Mrs. Claus had baked cookies, and the elves sang Christmas songs by the fire. Santa took a seat, sipping hot chocolate, and smiled. "Christmas isn't just about giving presents," Santa said. "It's about sharing happiness with everyone." And so, Santa spent the rest of Christmas Day surrounded by laughter, love, and magic.